you all doing today? My name is Brian Johnson, Vice President of Hitek Equipment here. We're going to be presenting a longtime product of ours, the PavyJet Mini Paver, and then also introducing a new line that we'll be helping represent today with our partners at CAMS, who is out of Italy. Today, Tyler will be our lead sales guy. He's presenting, and then afterwards, we'll open up a WebEx for you guys, or sorry, a Zoom meeting for you guys to come join us, in which Tyler Filippo, who is the COO of CAMS, and then I will be available for questions. So, without further ado, Tyler, go ahead and take over.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tyler. I work for Hitek Equipment, and I will be presenting the PavyJet Mini Paver system. We'll also be presenting the Centauro and the MG line. So Hitek's partnership has originated with Malavasi and has been the MG brand has been synonymous with the Hitek name for 10 plus years now. CAMS has acquired Malavasi in recent years, and we have been working with them ever since. So we do all of the training on all units. We do all of the selling and are the sole source distributor of the MG product line. We've also been doing an expansion of the Hitek name through our dealer network. So what we are trying to do is get the MG and PavyJet products inside of brick and mortar stores to grow sales and also increase service capabilities. So I would also like to show you guys a little bit of a little video just to kind of give you information about what the MG and PavyJet does. Okay, perfect. Now that we saw a video and showed a little bit of our MG product line and what the PavyJet actually does, I would like to go over the multiple products that we have. So first we have the MG6, which is what started it all and is currently what we use as kind of the right tool for the right job. So this is excellent for paving driveways, doing park paths and golf cart paths. If you have a limited area where you need to pave something out, this is the perfect thing for it. Also, it is great for butting up to things such as garages and doing the corners of parking lots. This is a reverse driving PavyJet. So what you have to do for loading, you have to either load it through the side or back up off of your cut and be able to reload it. This is excellent for attaching to excavators. The nice part is if you have an excavator, you don't have to butt away from everything. You can just put all of the material right inside of it. Now, what comes along with this is it is a manual lever controlled system, and you have to set all of your heights and everything with the screed right through those levers. Now we kind of transition over to the MG7 Super. The MG7 Super is a well-rounded paver. This is auger fed. All of the aggregate goes inside of the hopper, which has a 4.8 ton capacity that allows you to breeze through any job. Now, this is made for 12 to 6.5 feet. 12 inches to 6.5 feet for the screed length. This also allows for you to dump trucks directly into it while paving. Now, we cannot push with trucks, but it makes it easy for trucks to come up to it and dump inside of it. This has a heated and vibrating screed. Unlike what a lot of large paver systems do, is you can only vibrate for a specific amount of time. You can actually vibrate with this screed indefinitely on battery power. And with the heated screed, this is fully propane powered, and this whole entire system is remote controlled. So what you can do is you can have a operator standing in front of the machine watching the pile get created. And on top of watching the pile get created, you can adjust the heights on the fly and go with the curves and slopes of the road. Now, as a total, this really is great at doing a 3 foot wide cut, and you can do about 100 feet of that in about an hour to 45 minutes, depending. With us talking a little bit about the MGE product line, I would like to announce our new product to this, and that is going to be the PaviJet MG7E. Instead of being a propane heated screed, this is going to be an electric heated screed. And this gives the capabilities of multiple different things, a little bit more energy independence on this. By using a hydraulic power generator that runs off of the skid steer itself, you're going to be able to power your entire system off of that, rather than having to use propane or any outside influences. Now, the nice part about this is it comes with the same quality product design, and it is made for paving material at a rapid pace. We also are going to be updating the control panel and the remote control. So it is going to have updated ergonomics, and it's going to make ease of use a little bit better. Now that I've kind of talked about the MG product line and everything that comes along with that, I would like to get into something that is new to North America, and that is going to be the Centauro. There are multiple different models inside of the Centauro. There are multiple different modular capabilities alongside of this. So we have varying shredders and crushers that can go anywhere from 100 to 250 tons per hour, also with the capability to range on modularity to go from a single tracks to genset UVs and CTRs. Now, with this vast product line, we are going to have a single genset for the supply of all components. It's going to create low fuel consumption. It's going to give you the ability to supply everything fully on electric or on a genset. Now, this creates low emissions and low acoustic pollution. Alongside of all of this, we have a lot of automated processes that allow for the shredding of different material with the ability to process wet materials as well. The best part about this whole entire system is it is high wear resistant alongside of that. So it gives you the ability to crush multiple different types of aggregate, multiple different sizes, and spread everything out in multiple different ways. Now that I've kind of talked a little bit about the Centauro, I would like to show you where our booth locations are. So our booth locations are going to be right next to the monorail system. So if you see on the screen, everything is depicted very nicely. It is just coming off the monorail and right to the right. Feel free to come over and visit us. We would love to talk to you. We'd love to give you a better explanation on the Centauro and the MG product line as well. So with the little bit of time we have left, I would like to send you off with a video of the Centauro.
everybody for joining us. I will provide a link in our chat for afterwards if you want to join us via another Zoom meeting and answer questions live. I myself, Filippo, and Tyler will all be available live in a Zoom chat after the meeting.
Have a wonderful day, everybody.